felt his ice cold hands, and how I paid the price now. Damn, goddamn, no, goddamn. Everything you did, it left me in a ruin. And no, I didn't say a word, I guess that proves it. I'm a woman, oh yes. 'Cause I'm a woman, I'm a very fucking brave, strong woman. And I'll be damned if I let a man ruin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, so today we are going for a walk. And stay tuned to see what's going on. As you can see, we're still going. And here's our Pablo, come. Pablo. Oh, Pablo.
Nikidhani dogi imezoeshwa kunini kukua
woka. That's my brother behind the cameras, Willie.
Me, I am the Mubaba.
Oh, who's Mubaba?
The cameraman, the camera woman, Mubaba.
This place is so beautiful, as you can see. Oh, I'm already tired, and we have not even went. We have not even went.
You have not gone.
Spare me, guys. It's been a minute since I dropped a vlog for you guys. We're still going, almost there near a small waterfall. I'll show you guys once we get there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Hey, normalize walking, taking. I carried some popcorns with me, you know. Hii mambo ya wazungu. These are caramel popcorns. With me, guys. Just come with me. So. Every single day, I was meant for letting you. We are the waterfall, the small waterfall I was telling you about. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Ooh la la. Come. Good boy. Pablo.
On the beats. Nawaza ingekwaje kama ningekukosa. Nawaza ina maana hizi raha zote ningezikosa. Nawaza.
Good boy. I fall in love every single day. I was meant for loving you. Hey, you can hear my bad voice, but anyway. Sensational. I'm really tired at this point. Wow. Oh. Hey, send help. It seems I need to be doing this more often. Like, where? It's like a small distance, but I'm already tired. Like, what the fuck? Here we are. So finally we're here. Don't mind the way I look. I'm really tired at this point, but finally we got here. So I guess that will be the end of this video. I didn't want it to be that long. I didn't want you to get boring and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned till next time. And I'll be dropping videos now from now, like videos back to back. I have legit content for you guys, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned till next time. Bye.